Welcome back, everybody. Green Country Custom Baits. We are in the midst of, we've been doing a lot of baits here. Got a lot of custom orders, which is great. Super busy. Got the Okie Craw. This is one I've done before. This is a special one for the customer, though. We're going to change the eye color. So this one's a little bit custom, more than my typical custom on the Okie Craw. So sounds like a cool video. Come check it out. We're going to spray some paint. I'm going to cut that exhaust fan off so we can hear better. All right, we have got a knockoff bait that we're going to be doing in the Okie Craw. We've actually done 10 different crankbaits in this particular pattern. I'm going to show you what we got. We got all of our paints lined up. Not that many paint colors in this. We're going to mix up a brown and a leaf green to make our olive or a green pumpkin color, and the rest are pretty straightforward, and I'll show you that at the end of the video if you're interested in all the particular paints and colors that went into this. So a little bit different than the Okie Craw that I normally do. We're just changing up the eye color. Other than that, pretty straightforward. So let's get to it. 'Don't forget the little tail portion. So we're going to leave the belly white. We got a decent fade of that green pumpkin working down into the belly, and we'll bring the orange up to it. I'm going to heat set that real quick on camera. And I do that just so I'm not going to smudge it. And I'm going to go ahead and flip this bait over to the tail section where we can get all of that orange in. And two or three passes on the orange will be dark enough. We wanted a bright, vibrant orange. Again, it's been a busy off season. I tell you what, I got myself a little overextended for what I normally do, and got behind several months. So I appreciate the customers and being patient. This particular gentleman sent in, I think, 47 to 50 baits or lures for me to do several months back, and we're going to get his done and back to him. So, all right, for our crawl pattern, we're going to come in with our black. Actually, let me do, we'll go ahead and do the blue top, and we'll be pretty much done with the 3 base colors go into this. And I like a little bit of that to spray out over the eyes or the face. Just a little bit of highlight. And down the sides there. Alright, now we'll get into our distinctive crawl pattern, and we're just going to keep it simple today. Need to reduce my pressure a little bit. We're way too high. Yeah. Got this black thin pretty good, so we'll spray Nice and easy. And this has got a lot of gill, and this is a wide bait, so we're going to come in around those gills and do our and then just because it's such a deep bait, we're going to add a second large segment there, and then we'll break it down into our little, turn this a little bit to me. I get direct spray. All right, now we want to be consistent. We're coming about 3/8 of an inch behind. We started right at the bottom. Right in there. Now, we want to come in just below that line, and the line I'm talking about is that one right there. So this is where we set it at. Now we need to do the belly segments. Probably should have done the splatter next, but we'll go ahead and for this I'm just going to use, where's it at? I'm going to use this one. I've cut some little slots out. And unless you want real clean lines, you can push it right up against it. If not, hold it out just a little bit away. Hang to the center. Okay, so now we need to do, we'll see if I've got this black thinned enough. We need to come back and do our black splatter over the entire bait. So for that, we're going to remove our nozzle cap, reduce the pressure below 10. That's where I'm going to start, just about 9 or so, for some bigger dark splatter. And we want that to get down in the sides a little bit. The less pressure, the bigger the splatter. We'll cover that top up pretty good. And that, guys, is the Okie Craw. Now, I'm not going to do it on camera just because I've got so many to do, but these are going to have red eyes by customer request. Normally on my crawl patterns, I do black, but red is a good target color for our bass. And this is a great largemouth pattern as well as smallmouth pattern here in the great state of Oklahoma. Tell me if this is a pattern that you use in your lake and what lakes or what state you're fishing it in. So until next week, Green Country Custom Baits signing out.